Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our English class. Students, we have already started with the writing part of our chapter. Yes? Did you complete your notebooks and textbooks, students? Yesterday, we started to discuss about the question answer part of our chapter. We already discussed question 1 and question 2 yesterday. I told you to write it down in your notebook also. These are the two question answers which I discussed yesterday with you all, right? Today we'll move with the third one, okay? So let us start with the third question answer. Students, this chapter is having a bit more question answers because it's a lengthy one. It has two parts, part 1 and part 2. So there will be a little more question answers, but all of them you will be writing down in your English notebook, okay? Question 3 says, what does bodily intelligence reflect to? Bodily intelligence reflect to become dancer, actor, or craftsperson. Or you need to add there or, okay? Or is not written. The fourth question is, why does Rohit want huge amount of money? Now see students, in the question in between there are capital letters. वैसा आपको नहीं लिखना है, आप अपना रेगुलर लिखो, फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल, बाकी सब स्मॉल आएगा, ओके? Why does Rohit want huge amount of money? Rohit wants. Want is only written, but you need to make correction, students. It will be wants. Rohit wants huge money because he wants to travel different places, wants to see mountains, sail down the Amazon River on a raft, wants to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep, wishes to visit Konark Temple and the pyramids of Egypt. He wants to enjoy the nature. Now students, there is a bit correction. Wherever there is want, you will be writing it as wants, wish, wishes. I am writing it down, okay? In this answer, you need to make the correction. So hope you understood what corrections you are supposed to make, students, as well as, and you already know that Rohit wants to enjoy nature and he wants to travel different places. So that is all the answer about. The next one is, how does Radha feel when she was sitting on the tree? Now here also first letter will be capital, Radha's R will be capital, rest of the things will be small. There is no need to write capital in between, okay students? Now answer is, although her mother says it is not sensible for girls to climb trees, but she feels very good. Once her mother climbed up too with her, and they both sat there and eating raw mangoes. You need to cut that and. They both sat there, comma, eating raw mangoes. She feels like she can rule the whole world when she was on the tree. So how does she feel? She feels like she can rule the whole world while she was sitting on the tree. Okay. Now do make the corrections. So you understood the answer, students? That Radha feels very good. She feels like she can rule the whole world while she climbs the tree and sits on the top of the tree. And her mother accompanies her too. Fine. Now we will move ahead with the next question. That is, what is verbal intelligence? Verbal intelligence means what? Okay. Verbal is concerned with speaking. The word verbal itself says it deals with speaking part. A person who is good at language, speaking, reading, writing, etc. can be said to have verbal intelligence. तो जो इंसान, जो बंदा, जो स्पीक अच्छे से कर सकता है, लिख सकता है, बोल सकता है, दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन इज सेड टू हैव verbal intelligence. Okay, then we have the next question as, what is interpersonal intelligence? Interpersonal is concerned with relationships among people. तो इंटरपर्सनल मतलब क्या, जो सबके साथ अच्छे रिलेशंस रखता है, ऐसे इंसान इंटरपर्सनल होते हैं. अंडरस्टैंडिंग अदर्स एंड देयर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू and being cooperative are indicators of interpersonal intelligence. So students, you will write till that much only. Don't write that let which is written after full stop. Full stop के बाद आपको कुछ और नहीं लिखना है. ये 4 lines का आंसर है. That much only you will be writing. Okay. Now we'll move ahead with our next question. But before that, students, do understand that all the intelligences which are given in the part 2 of our chapter are very important. Anything, any type of question can be asked from that. So you better learn those boxes which are given in your textbook very well. And do complete your notebook. Write all these extra question answers in your notebook. Now let's move ahead.